Hi, mi amors, it's me, Abiel Amor here, and today I am sharing with you all about Mayvenn and their free install hair program. Recently, I tried out Mayvenn for the first time and took part of their free install hair program, and I just wanted to share with you guys all about it and what comes with it. So, the program includes a shampoo, braid down, and install. This does not include the install of a closure. I found this out when I visited my salon that I chose to go to. So just be very specific with that so that Mayvenn can credit you appropriately. Now, if you want to do any type of customizations, you have to pay for that on your own. So a customization would be coloring of the hair, a frontal, getting your hair cut in a specific style. So you would have to organize that with your stylist. So how it works, what you would do, make sure you purchase 3 items from the Mayvenn site, and then after that you would choose a Mayvenn certified stylist. Now, when choosing my stylist, it took me a while to find the stylist that would work for me. I was very, very diligent in finding, going through the pictures, looking at their Instagram, looking at the reviews off the site. I just didn't rely on Mayvenn's reviews. I looked for their certified stylist, and then I did my own research for each stylist by looking at their Instagrams and their reviews and like how their service was until I found the best suited one for me. So I asked, suggest that you guys do your research when looking for your stylist that's a Mayvenn certified stylist so that you get the best experience possible. I believe this is a great deal, this program. You get a free hair install, especially if you do not know how to style your own hair, because I don't know how to do sew-ins. This is my first sew-in in like over a decade. So check them out. They offer quad pay. You can do 4 installments for your hair. And make sure you are tipping your stylists. If you have checked out this program, if you tried this program, or you are interested, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and like. Thank you guys so much for watching.